Hello everyone. This is the fourth episode of the #XUGS Flexible Learning series. In this episode we are going to install Microsoft Teams on iOS for iPhones and iPads. If you want to see the other videos in the #XUGS Flexible Learning playlist, you can visit the links posted on screen. Anyway, let us now start. First, we have to make sure that we have internet connection. So connect to Wi-Fi or data. Then, we are going to open up the Apple App Store. Let us then search for the Microsoft Teams app. Click on the download and install icon. So this is the Microsoft Teams app, while we are installing it to our iPhone. It is around 224 megabytes. So, it would take a little while for it to download and install. Finally, it is done downloading and it has been installed on our iPhone. To open, we can just click on the Microsoft Teams app icon on our home screen. Click on the Sign In option. And enter the credentials that were given by the XU CISO with the password you have created. Give us a moment while we get things ready for you. And there you have it. You have installed the Microsoft Teams app on your iOS device, an iPhone, or an iPad. You have also logged in into your XUGS Microsoft account. Congratulations! This has been the fourth episode of our #XUGS Flexible Learning series. Today, we have walked through the steps on how to install the Microsoft Teams app on an iPhone or iPad. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.